How to sign up MitID account from MitID application. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign up on MitID account. For this, you want to download the MitID application on your device. If you don't have this app, you can head over to Play Store and download this application on your device. Once it has been downloaded, tap on the Open option. Now you want to tap on the Get Started option. Here you will have to choose how you want to proceed. I'm going to select the option of activation code from the citizen service. Now you will have to enter your user ID, then enter your activation code. After you have entered both the details, tap on the next option. Now on the next page, you will have to set up a PIN. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and then you will be successfully signed up on MitID account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.